Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy. You back again with another video. Let me go ahead and zoom it out of the way in so we good to go. Let me turn this fan off. Let me turn the fan off, close the door, and let you know what's going down. So right here, we are doing the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. As promised, I told y'all, more content off the rip. I'm getting back to the old me. I used to make reviews, videos on everything. You know what I'm saying? Reviews, video, car content, tech stuff, like the whole shebang. We back. I gotta get back in my duffel, so to speak. So as you can see, comes in this nice little carrying case here. You know what I mean? Canon M50. If you ain't got it, still a great camera. Definitely cop that. So you have the Osmo. Now if you look at the Osmo and you compare it to, say, your phone, very comparable, if not smaller. But I guarantee your phone not shitting like this thing is gonna do. Quality wise, yes. Stabilization, maybe not so much. Like I said, it also comes with the, I believe it's the DJI handle, or like the battery extended handle type deal, which gives you extended battery life. Now I did watch a couple videos before I went out and made this purchase, just to see like what the hype was about, or like if it was even worth it. And from all the videos that I watched, it's definitely worth it to get the more bundle, but if you can't, I definitely understand. These are the little tripod feet, which these will spin into your battery pack. Okay, now if you don't want the battery pack on there, there is a shorter version which just simply adds the capability to where you could add the port at the bottom to where you can put it on a tripod, like a full-size tripod. So little handheld tripod, good for a table with the battery pack. Also comes with like a carrying case to protect it. Of course, you know, the gimbal portion is a portion that moves, and you don't want that just exposed to the elements, so it comes with a nice little case there that's gonna get you where you need to be. So that's gonna snap in. I think it'll snap in like that, or something along those lines, to where it fits in there and your gimbal's not just exposed. It's also, now what I think was probably like one of the best features as I was looking into it, man, like this mic. Now this mic retails for $215, I believe. And like I said, with just the benefit of having the mic alone is worth the extra $150 on top of the combo. Everything else is just bonus stuff. You know, you got a little wrist. You know what I mean? Something is like, okay, well, you got a sock for your mic. You got a little wrist strap. So, you know, that stuff may not wow and awe you, but the fact that this mic can double as, like, it can record voice, like, independently. Like, you don't even need, like, I wouldn't even need, so I could be recording video. I could be recording video on this camera, M50. I could also record here, and then in post, I can just sync up all the audio. And it would be like I did it with this. So even if you don't, like, this alone, like I said, is worth that extra money. So check that out. That's what you want. Look at that. That's what you want. Look. You don't know it yet. That's what you want. That's what you want right there. So like I said, that's the thing I'm probably the most excited about. And it comes with a USB-C cord. So all this stuff comes in this little case, which you can pack away into your travel bag or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm currently reconfiguring my go bag or my content bag. I want it to be as streamlined as possible. I'm gonna have my drone in there, also made by DJI. I'm gonna have this in there. I'm gonna have my EOS M50, and I'm probably gonna have my Insta360 in there. So between them 4 devices, I feel like I can capture anything I want in the best way that I can. Paired with editing skills, I can take over the world, Craig. I can take over the world. So this has been the unboxing. If this is something that y'all are interested in or whatnot, I'm gonna put a link down below. So if you decide to go get you one, you know what I'm saying, maybe your boy get a little kickback, you know what I'm saying? Get this, you know, trying to provide for my community. Bring y'all this content, man. So, you know, share the love back, and we'll make it do what it do. So, next video should be from this DJI. We gonna put it to the test. We gotta charge it up, of course. But yeah, we gonna go on and put it to the yeah, I mean. So, till next time, I appreciate everybody for tapping in with us. Make sure y'all join us next time on another video from yeah boy. LSJ Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. And I'm back, bitch.